really excited about sharing this with you guys today. All day long, we are really digging deep into research and finding that real why. What is that hype about CBD? Why everyone is looking into that, and why over 45 million Americans, like 14-15% of Americans, have tried some sort of CBD. And we are putting together all possible solutions that CBD provided for those people, like what is it helping them with. And we were doing research, reading studies and reading reviews, our reviews, other companies' reviews about different CBD products. And we believe with a formula that you need to get to know about it. So check it out, guys. I'm not really good at drawing or writing, but I will try to do my best here. So that's a circle or a cycle. Hopefully you can see it good. And few things. So definitely sleep, right? Sleep, inflammation. Try to speed it up, right? So sleep, inflammation, anxiety, stress, insomnia, weak immune system or immune system in general. System, what else we have? There's no appreciation for little things. And I'm gonna explain why and what is it all about in a second. Let's few more. It's maybe loss of appetite, maybe panic attack, maybe depression, maybe limited self-belief. So those are the things that CBD has proven to help people with. It's not a one and only cure, but it is supporting them. And let's take a look at sleep, for instance. Sleep, insomnia, immune system, this is all connected. Loss of appetite and no appreciation for little things. Today I brought coffee when we were brainstorming to my wife upstairs, and she came up with this, like, if I would be in a really bad mood, if I didn't sleep this night, I wouldn't be happy that you brought me this coffee. I would really be trying to drink this coffee to get energy from, like a stimulant, but I wouldn't really appreciate that. And it might sound funny, but this is really all working together. So this is a cycle, a vicious cycle that you want to avoid. And this is all correlated. And just think about it. What can happen that you are in this position, somewhere here? You have some sort of problem, might be a really small thing, like maybe you have just an inflammation. But this is all correlated, remember that. And the one thing that you want to do is you want to step out of that vicious cycle. You want to be here. You want to make sure that you don't spend too much time of your life in this cycle, within this cycle. Now, how can you get there? And I will definitely, don't expect me to say that CBD or some sort of product will help you to will be the ultimate cure to get there. But just imagine when you are doing something like meditating, taking care of your food, creating better habits like exercising, and your sleep will be optimized. And when you do something, let's say you rest better, you sleep more, and you also stretch and take care of your mobility, and inflammation disappear. Maybe because of that, you're not anxious anymore, that you're gonna hurt your body more. And you just created a space here to really open the door to get there. You don't have to take care of everything. You don't have to have those symptoms here, but you're creating a way to step out of this vicious cycle. And this is truly what this is something that I was really excited about. And that's why I wanted to put it on a paper and share it with you, because that's it. This is the formula, and it's really how CBD can complement it, some of those things. But our real goal is to help you not only by providing you the product that we ourselves take, but also helping you with all the rest of the things that are important, like taking care of your health in form of exercising, of your mental health by reading books and expanding your horizons and getting better at what you do. Really having no limits when it comes to your brain power, your physical power constantly growing. And I believe, and we truly believe, that this is all working together, and you can create a habit, you can create a better life with stepping out of this vicious cycle. Tell me in the comments what you think about that.